this is Carrie with Glitzy Glam, and I am going to show you my living room today. Now, I closed my little party venue, and it was more shabby chic. My home was more modern, so I have had to move a lot of my shabby chic stuff into my living room. So now I've changed the direction of my living late because it's fun, and I had to incorporate my stuff into my home anyway. So I hope you again enjoy this video and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and come join the Dollar Tree haul journey, the 99-cent store haul journey, and my decorating and organizing journey. All right, let me start here with this picnic basket. I bought this probably 15 to 20 years ago and painted it white, and I'm using it today to hold this blanket that we use on the sofa. I bought these cream colored curtains from, I believe, Big Lots, and the stuff I used that I already had at home were these pillow shams. They used to go in my bedroom, and now I'm using them here in the living room because, as you can see, I was bold with the color red in my living room. So let me back up so you can see. Now the new addition is this pillow because I have been into the lemons here lately. As you can see, I decorated with lemons on my coffee table with my milk glass and some candles. Those leaves, the gold leaf and that cream colored leaf, is from Dollar Tree. These coasters were made by my sister-in-law and given to us as a Christmas. Now ignore the snowflakes on the tray. Maybe one day I will paint that whole tray white, but for now I'm using it as it is. This red rug I bought at Sam's Club about a year ago, but the new additions is this mirror and these plates that I added to my walls. This was my grandma's chair. As you can see, the red fabric, the red leaves and the red in the fabric match my living room perfectly, and I have not recovered this chair because of the memories, and maybe one day I will take the fabric off and put it in a real nice frame and possibly get rid of the chairs, because right now you cannot sit in this chair because it's not sturdy enough. But I did cover it with lace and these nice pillows that I've had probably for 20-25 years. I know the one with the letter C was given to me for as a wedding gift, and I've been married 30 years, so I've had that pillow for about 30 years. And then I just recently bought these plates on eBay, and I know eBay is probably a little more than I wanted to spend, but I go to work and then I quarantine myself, so that's why I buy the plates on eBay instead of going and out. So I like the real pretty roses and red flowers that match my living room perfectly. I may eventually add to this collection, but for now, like this one right here is from Cracker Barrel. This one is Waverly. It's from the same company that made the pillow shams, and then just some I had in my collection. Now let's go back over here. You already saw my china cabinet. Now I have changed it up a little bit. I had a lot more teapots in there, but I have used those in another area that I redecorated. But here is my china cabinet. The way I have it decorated is with a lot of china. Some of it's vintage, some of it is not as vintage as others, but I really love all of my china and teapots and milk glass. And I even have teacups here that were given to me by a friend. All right. Well, this is how I have my living room decorated. This sofa here. I have this bicycle, Love is in the Air, mostly because I bought it around Valentine's, but it has a lot of the red colors in it, and I really love that bicycle. That pillow was 99-cent store. The lemons, the more darker lemons were bought at Dollar Tree, but the yellow lemons I bought on Amazon. This pillow I bought on Amazon. Again, since I'm quarantining myself after work. Now, that lemonade crate, I believe, was Target Dollar Spot. And again, some more Dollar Tree lemons. That gingham fabric I found at Dollar Tree, and right now that's how I'm using it. And these flowers are all Dollar Tree. I love them. They looked really beautiful this year. And then Olivia's Romantic Home inspired me to use Mackenzie Child's napkins to create this vase. So go and watch Olivia's Romantic Home. And then this little crate here that I use for my dog's toys is a Coca-Cola wheelbarrow that I got from my in-laws. And this is how I decorated my living room, somewhat on a budget, and eBay, and things that I already had at home, and also things that I brought from my little party venue, since I had to decide to work from home. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will show you other little areas that I have decorated and organized a little bit later. Thanks for watching.